Good morning, everybody. So continuing with the same exponent worksheet, we're going to take on some different problems today with some division. So if we take a look at number 57 on our worksheet, we have 10 to the 6th power divided by 10 squared. If you remember when we were using our laws of exponents, when we divide like bases, we keep the base, which is 10, and we subtract the exponent. So 6 minus 2 is going to give us 4. So we have 10 to the 4th power, which actually turns out to be 10,000 here. If we check out problem number 62, this uses a combination of our laws here. We have x divided by y to the 6th power. So you can see that we have division, but we also are raising this quotient to a power. So even though we don't see it, these variables, the x and y, have an exponent of 1 attached to them. So when we raise a power to a power, we're going to keep the base and we're going to multiply the exponent. So I have a 1 times 6, which is 6, and 1 times 6, which is 6. So we end up with x to the 6th divided by y to the 6th power. Let's try number 63. We have the quantity of 5c divided by d squared raised to the 2nd power. So we have a quotient raised to a power here. So what we're going to do is raise each of these terms to the power of 2. So even though we don't see it, the 5 and the c both have an exponent of 1. So 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. And 2 times 2 is going to give us 4. And simplifying a little bit further, we end up with 25 c squared over d to the 4th power to totally simplify that. All right, let's try one more. Let's try problem number 71. So problem 71 is 21d to the 18th power e to the 5th power divided by 7d to the 11th power e cubed. So we have some like bases that we're dividing. So we have to remember when we divide like bases, we keep the base, subtract the exponents. However, the 21 and the 7 are coefficients, so we're going to divide them like regular numbers. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. And now we have our d variable here, 18 minus 11. So 18 minus 11 is going to give us 7. And now we have e to the 5th over e cubed. So that's going to give us e squared for that problem there. So that's it. Hope you guys have a great day.